Yeah, oh, you're in town. Well, that's a long drive from where you are. You wanted to come over and see my pink vintage bathroom? Well, I mean, I don't blame you. It's gorgeous and amazing. Uh-huh. You want to come over right now? Okay, well, I need a moment to get dressed, but I'll be ready, yeah? No, I'm not talking to you from the bathroom. Only weird people take their phones in the bathroom. Hello, welcome to another video. My name is Sarita V, and today we are talking about my vintage pink bathroom. So, as many of you know, I moved into a new home this March, and it was built in the 1930s, late 1930s, early 40s. So a lot of the fixtures here are still untouched, and this is like one of the best features of the house. So I thought I'd give you a little tour. Again, these are not before and after pictures. A lot of the pieces are original in here, and so they are a little bit beat up in some places, and not everything is original. Some pieces have been fixed or replaced. So anyway, I thought I would just show you some of my favorite parts. So the first thing that you'll notice when you walk in is that it has this beautiful vanity at the very back corner, which is behind me here. And it has a tile top. The tile was redone in the 1990s. The former owner told me what they had restored and what was kept. So the vanity has a couple of features that I really like. Number one, the cabinet is original. So these cabinets match the original cabinets in the kitchen, and they have these really great stainless steel chromed out handles. Also, I don't think it's ever been painted. It looks like there's only one coat of paint, and there's a lot of chipping on the edges. I do think I am going to paint it. I'm not sure what color. I'm leaning toward maybe adding a little bit of contrast to the pink, so keep the pink really a strong contrast and then pick another contrasting color. Right now we have a lot of brown and pink in here, and I'd like to see more black and pink with like a black and white tile in here that's period specific. So anyway, so those are some interesting things. So yeah, the cabinet is original. It's got the original hinges on it. It's lovely. On the inside, I also added a really pretty green kind of vintage style contact paper on the inside just to keep them clean. They had a lot of wear on the inside, so I wanted to be able to use them. Another thing for the vanity, I don't know if I've found the perfect stool for what I want over here, but this is nice. It fits underneath it, and it was actually a piece of furniture that my grandfather made, and so that's been handed down to me. I do need to redo the top. It's getting really worn down, but I had a really pretty brown and teal polka dot fabric on there, and now I've got to think about something else that I want to cover it with that would match the bathroom. So over here, this is another thing that I really like about this bathroom is that it has the 1930s block windows, and it's just really classic. At first I kind of thought that it might have been like a 1980s update, but after looking at catalog images of bathrooms in the 30s and 40s, they had a lot of these, so it was really fun. This is a leaded mirror. It is actually just hanging. It's kind of mounted with a wire piece, a wire hanger on the back. So it's pretty neat. It's got a bevel on the edge. And then this is an original little window that pops open, and I still have an original light up there. These Hollywood lights here, these guys, are not original, and you can actually kind of see an outline where the original fixtures were. So I'd like to find something maybe a little bit more period specific, but those are fine for now. I'm guessing that they probably got updated in the 90s. Okay, so it is so tight in here, it's actually really hard to film, and I'm hoping that the audio isn't too echoey. Over here, we have the best feature of the house, and that's a rotary phone right next to the toilet. I mean, how awesome is that? Now, I don't think it's I doubt it's a 1930s, 1940s rotary phone. It looks kind of more like a 1960s phone, but I have no idea. And it's just so absurd. Ooh. Hello? Anyway, it's just really fun. If you have a phone installed in your bathroom, I'm not talking about you taking your smartphones into the toilet and getting, a bunch of germs on them, but an actual phone wired into your wall, please leave the comments down below because I think this is just the best feature of the bathroom. Unfortunately, the toilet was replaced, and I mean, maybe fortunately, maybe the former one didn't work. I know a lot of people like to replace them for more water efficient toilets, but we ended up with a white toilet. It had a wood oak toilet seat on it, which I think are disgusting. Oh, yuck. Yeah, that's how I felt about that toilet seat. So I was able to find a matching pink toilet seat. I don't remember the name of it, but it's kind of, I don't think it's carnation pink, but I got a pink toilet seat. It matches the rest of my sink and my tub, and so I'm very excited about it, and it's clean and it's tidy and it's mine. So anyway, it also came with a chromed out towel rack, and it's nice. It matches the other features in the house and in the bathroom, but I don't think it's original. There is one downstairs in the bathroom, which I also don't think is an original bathroom. So anyway, but it matches. It's all right. Oh, another reason why I don't think it's original is because it has a Phillips head, and everything that's original in the house all has flathead screws. So I think that's another reason why it's not, but it's good. I can hang my towels on there. Speaking of towel racks, the sink comes with two built-in towel racks on the left and the right side. And then I also have over here, just to the left of my vanity, I've got these original towel racks, which are lovely. And I don't know if they're lucite. They're like an acrylic plastic with a glitter in them, which is just so cute. And I've got two of them. They also have, again, a flathead screwdriver attachment here, and these are throughout the entire house, these fixtures here. So anyway, what I'd like to do, because I don't need towels over here because I have the towel rack and there's still towel rack on the sink, I want to, this is from my old house, I had it hanging up behind the door, but I think it'd be really cool to make some little fake towels to hang here, and then to use them for my brooches and my earrings. So that way when I get ready, I can see all my stuff, and it'll be pretty neat display there. So I think that's what I'm gonna do with these. And then over here, there's this cute little mirror, which is supposed to help you see the back of your head. And when you look into the main mirror, right? So you can stand here and kind of see what's going on back there. But it's kind of awkward because I can only see the right side of my head. So I don't know if you've noticed in some of my videos, I might have some really good hair on the right side, but on the left side, it's like the Wild West. So anyway, I got to figure out a way to look at the back of my head. That's probably not this. But it's so cute. It just bevels. It's just on a little tiny little perch there. So anyways, that's super cute. Let's talk about the bathtub. So there's some original and some not original features about the bathtub. And let's talk first about this shower curtain. It's 100% cotton. Lovely shower curtain. It's got, I don't know, pink dots that are supposed to be flowers on here, so pretty cool. Actually, I got this, I knew that it would match, but I got it at the thrift store for $5. I might have even gotten it for $2.50. It might have been on sale. But anyway, eventually I would like to put something vintagey on here, and I'm willing to go up to the 1950s for some of my vintage styles, but if you can think of something I could put on here, let me know. I'm thinking maybe those star burst patterns, or maybe something geometric on there. Yeah, I'm not really sure. I've thought about, I don't know if you remember the ladies, the fashion ladies with the Simplicity Patterns fabric. I thought something like that would be cool, or maybe design a curtain with pin-up silhouettes, just a black and white even throw in some hot pink in there, make a shower curtain with a bunch of lady silhouettes on there. I think that would be kind of fun. Anyway, let me know if you have any ideas, whether it's to design one, because you can get those made on like Printful or Teespring or some of those places, print-on-demand companies. So anyway, so I can sew, I can design, I just need to come up with the ideas. So let me know if you have any thoughts. Okay, so this shower, it has the original pink tub, which is really cool. It's got some geometric shapes down at the bottom, and then it also happens to have some custom tile work that was done in the 90s from the most recent owners, and it's a bit unique. I've got this huge menorah in here, and if that's not unique, I don't know what is. It's pretty cool. I am not Jewish. When we decide to retile, like I said, I want to do like, you know, pink, black, and white tiles in here. I would like to see if there's like a Jewish museum or somebody that would like to extract this during that time and use it for some Jewish art. If you know anybody, let me know. Anyway, that's my shower. Okay, so over here in the corner, I'm making this bathroom look humongous, but it's got so many great features. Over here, I have a really great linen closet, and it's got lots of room for storage, which is so nice. So I've got everything in here. And then down here, I've got this little laundry chute. I mean, who has laundry chutes still? So this goes downstairs is the basement, and we have the laundry room down there. So all I have to do is crack this open, drop my laundry there, and then my husband will wash it. It's amazing. And I do also want to point out that we have these beautiful glass doorknobs, which are just so pretty. Last thing that we're going to look at is the sink, because there's a couple cool features over there. Welcome to my sink. Over here, we've got a couple of things. First, I don't think that these lights here are original, but they match better on the walls than the ones at the Vanity. This here is original paneling, and if not original to like the late 30s, early 40s, I know that a lot of the laminate paneling was popular in the 50s for sure. So up here we have plaster walls. There's only plaster walls for the original parts of the house. They're in really good shape. And this lower part is a laminate. This is one of my favorite parts. So a nice medicine cabinet. This is original. It's by Hallmark, and this is all like, it feels kind of like leaded glass, but stainless steel, very industrial on the inside. And it's got some little glass shelves on some really like little fine rubber stoppers there. Came with a little vintage eye cup, eye wash. But my favorite part is up here on the mirror. So I'm not sure which woman before me or man. Anyway, they have like a little morning to-do list, and it says get dressed, check. Fix hair, sure. I mean, I'm just doing a ponytail today, but whatever. Make breakfast, and the last one is shine sink. Let me know, out of the 4 of these, what you finished today. Shine sink would never be on my daily to-do list. That would be like on my once a week to-do list, if not every other week, because let's be real, it doesn't happen all the time. But I shined it for you. Then the other thing that I like about this little spot is that it's got this little piece of stainless steel here, chromed out and everything, and you can crack it open, and look at that. Isn't that cute? It's a little spot for your toothbrush, and it fits 4 toothbrushes, but our modern day toothbrushes do not fit in there. So there you go. And then it can hang out in the wall until I'm ready for it later on. And then of course, this is my sink. And it's just so lovely. It's a standard American sink. I'm kind of curious, and maybe you guys might know some information, but my sink itself is not like a pure pink. It's kind of a peachy pink. And I'm kind of curious, I've noticed that some colors fade, like the paint. Like I have some mint green cupboards downstairs, and it kind of has faded out to a celery green. You can tell the part that hasn't been exposed to oxygen and light over time is a much bluer mint green. I'm kind of curious, do bathtubs and sinks, do they fade? Like, was this like a really like carnation-y rose pink and it faded to like more of a peach, or was that just another shade that came in just a little bit more peachy? So anyway, really cool sink. I love that it's on the pedestal and the faucets are original, and it's just so interesting. I will never ever replace these. I am in search for a pink toilet. Yeah, I just love it. So if you have a pink bathroom set, I'd really like to see what you guys have. Of course, Instagram, you can put in like hashtag vintage pink bathroom or something like that. We can share some pictures and see what everybody has. So yeah, besides that, real quick, the linoleum, I think it's original as well. I know the baseboards are, and I can't imagine them taking the baseboards off because they're kind of that like rubbery, weird baseboard. Those are original. I'm pretty sure that the linoleum is too. It's in pretty good shape, but it does need to be replaced. There's a lot of little marks and damage on it. So anyway, it's not a big deal. Maybe in 5 years we'll spruce it up. But so find me on Instagram or Facebook, Sarita V Pinup. Let's exchange vintage bathroom pictures, whether it's pink or mint or black or whatever. Like I said, I will be doing some updates. I will be keeping all the original fixtures. I'm into restoration, not renovation, but I do want things to work as well. So I, can be a little bit pragmatic. My walls do need some good TLC. The paint, I've got a crackle finish, which I know was not intentional. So I definitely have to do something about the crackle finish. And like I said, in a few years, I'll probably retile. So yeah, if you know somebody that would like a Jewish menorah centerpiece, let me know. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I will see you next week. Thanks, bye.